Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently. How to speak English like native speaker. I know that you are facing so many problems while speaking in English. So don't worry, I'm here to improve your English speaking so that you can speak English confidently like the native speaker. But you have to follow me, and the process is simple. What the words I am telling you in my today's video, you have to learn. Yes, in the comment section, you can tell me that we have learned. You have to join this journey as a student because if you really want to improve yourself and you want to become successful in life, and if you are lacking somewhere because of the English, so don't worry, I'm here to help you. So let's start today's video with some interesting words. Categorical. Categorical, the spelling is Categorical. Unconditional. A categorical categorical denial is one without exceptions. Next word, Kutharis. Kutharis. Purification that brings emotional relief of renewal. To someone with psychological problems, talking to a psychiatrist can lead to catharist. Next word, Catholic. Universal, embracing everything. Catholic with a small c means universal. Da Vinci, we all know about it. He was a great architect also. Mona Lisa was made by Da Vinci, which is in the Paris Museum nowadays. And if you want to see the Mona Lisa real painting, so you can see in the Paris Museum. So back to the sentence. Yes, Da Vinci was a Catholic genius who excelled at everything he did. Parochial means narrow-minded, so parochial and Catholic are almost opposites. Caustic. Caustic, like acid, corrosive. The spelling is Caustic. Paint remover is a caustic substance. If you spill it to your skin will burn. Paint remover. So beware of the paint remover. Celibacy. Celibacy. And the meaning, absentees. Okay, people who practice celibacy do not practice. Censure. Censure. Censure, to condemn severely for doing something bad. And the time for sentence, the Senate sometimes censures senators for breaking laws or engaging in behavior unbecoming to an elected official. Cerebral or cerebral. There are the two types of pronunciation. Brainy, intellectual, refined. Not now the time for sentence. Your cerebrum is the biggest part of your brain. To be cerebral is to do and care about things that really smart people do and care about. Next word, Khargin, but the pronunciation is Shugrin. The pronunciation is Shugrin and the spelling is Chagrin. Humiliation, embarrassed, disappointment. Much to my chagrin, I began to giggle during the eulogy at the funeral. Charisma, but the pronunciation is charisma. Charisma. Magical seeming ability to attract followers or inspire loyalty. The glamorous presidential candidate had a lot of charisma. Voters did not seem to support him so much as he entered by him. Charlatan. Charlatan. Fraud, quack, quarryman. Buck was selling what he claimed he was a cure for cancer, but he was just a charlatan. Last word for the day, chasm. 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 The meaning is a deep, gaping hole. Bill was so stupid that his girlfriend wondered whether there was not a chasm where his brain should be. So, we have done some amazing words today. But what I think you can do, first of all, start thinking that you can speak in English. This just a simple effort. When you think that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. But you have to do the effort. Learning vocabulary, read English every day, read book, magazine, book or newspaper, whatever you like. Listen English media every day. If you really want to improve your English, so first of all watch someone while speaking English so that you can also learn. You can learn a car driving by watching someone driving a car, but you have to do the practice by yourself also. Listening is good to improve your communication skills, but again I would like to tell you, you have to do the practice of English speaking. What you can do, speak in front of mirror, speak with your friends, or record your own voice. So these are the three basic tips, and believe me my friends, English can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to get a job in corporate or MNC, or you want to go for overseas studies. So English is very very important everywhere, but it all depends upon you how much you want to take from your English. But all efforts are upon you. As much as effort you will do in your English, as much as you will grow. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.